Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover divs and semantic elements. What is div? Div is element that is used as container for other elements. So with div you can group different elements on your page. It is block element by default, so it takes full width of page. Here in code I will add one heading 1. I will add paragraph and here I will generate placeholder text. To do that I need to write lorem and number of words I want to generate. I will write 10, so it will generate 10 words, and I will also add one horizontal line. And now I can group those elements by putting them inside div. So I'll write one div element and I will paste this code here. And I can also add another heading, paragraph, and horizontal line. So I will copy this code. With divs, I'm adding logical sections of my page. And now I can add style to certain div, and that style will be applied to all elements inside that div. I'm going to add style in this first div, background color. I will add aquamarine, and I will add text color of red. And I opened page in web browser, and here you can see that aquamarine background color and red text color is applied to all elements inside first div. Now let's move on semantic elements. Semantic elements are also elements, but they clearly defines its content, and it is useful both for browser and developer. Some of semantic elements are header, footer, nav, section, article, and aside. All semantic elements are block elements by default, so they take full width of page. And here in this picture you can see one layout using semantic elements. And let's build one page with this layout. So let's move back in VS Code, and here I will first add header semantic element, and inside that I will have h2 element, and I will write text of header, and it's going to be desert. Then I will add nav element, which is used for navigational links. And here I will add navigational links, home, animals, plants, and about. I also need href attribute. Then I will add one section. Here I will have h4 element, and I will add text Sahara Desert. And I will add paragraph, and I will add placeholder text. Then I will add article. Again, I will have h4 element, and now I will write text snakes in desert. And I will also add paragraph, again with placeholder text. Then I will add a side element. I don't have any idea for content in this element, so I will just write aside. And last element is footer. I will add text footer of the page. And now I will open this page in web browser. And here you can see that each element is in new line. because by default every semantic elements is block element, so it takes full width of page. Although this is not a lesson about CSS, I will use CSS to build page with layout from picture that I showed before. So here I will first put section, article and aside elements in one div element. Then I will put section and article in another div. Child div will have width of 70% and aside will have width of 30%. And parent div will have display flex. Display flex. I will also add different background color to each semantic element to see difference. So first to header, style, background color, RGB, 230, 230, and 230. Then I will add background color to nav element. I will copy this and change background color. So this is going to be 210, 210, and 210. Then to the section is going to be 119 3 times. Then to article, I need to copy this again. 117. 170 3 times. Then to aside, background color, RGB, 150, 150, and 150. And last semantic element is footer, style, background color, RGB, 120, 120, and 120. It is footer 2O and 1T, and now I will open this page in browser. And here you can see all semantic elements, header, nav, section, article, aside, and footer. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.